Guys, I've tested quite a few battery security cameras over the years, and they're all about convenience until something lets them down. So today I'm taking a look at this one from ieGeek to see where it actually makes sense and where it doesn't. So to learn more about the ieGeek ZY-C1 and whether it's worth considering, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the ieGeek ZY-C1. It's a compact, battery-powered, fully wireless security camera designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Now guys, the big selling point here is flexibility. No cables, quick setup, and the ability to put it pretty much anywhere as long as you've got decent Wi-Fi. Now guys, before we get into it, ieGeek did send this over to me for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, as you know, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, you get the instructions. You get a bunch of fixings and screws so you can actually mount this thing to the wall as well as a mounting stand. And guys, you get a micro USB charging cable and the camera itself. Now guys, setup is genuinely quick because this is a 100% wireless camera. Installation takes about a minute, and connecting it to Wi-Fi takes seconds. There are no power cables to run, which makes placement really flexible. You can stick this on a shelf indoors. You can mount it outside using the supplied stand. As long as you've got decent Wi-Fi, you are good to go. And guys, if the camera does lose Wi-Fi connection, just be mindful that it's not going to detect any motion and it's not going to record anything. So please, I must say, make sure, even though this is wireless, you are still in the bounds of your Wi-Fi signal. Now guys, taking a quick look around the camera, and it feels solid. You have your lens and your sensors on the front. You've got a speaker on the back, and on the bottom, you've got a 1/4-20 thread, so you can mount this on a tripod. And you have a weather sealed section, which is where your power and reset buttons live, as well as your USB-C charge port and micro SD card slot. And guys, like I said, on the back you've got that speaker, and that is going to give you audio and a rather loud alarm to scare those would-be burglars away. Now guys, I was definitely surprised when it came to video quality. It's good. I mean, actually, it's very good for the price. You're getting a 5 megapixel QHD image with a wide 130-degree field of view, which gives you clear, sharp footage during the day and during the night as well, because at night the camera uses LED lighting to capture colour footage rather than black and white, which works very well. But there's always a trade-off. You're going to probably use more battery, especially in busy areas. Also guys, if you want to use this for something like baby monitoring, which you can, well, you don't want those little lights coming on and waking up your little bundle of fun. So in that case, you can switch the lights off, stay in black and white mode, and you know what? You're still getting a very good picture. Now guys, this ZY-C1 is fully wireless, like I said, and that means not being tethered to power either. So battery life is one area where expectations need to be realistic. Now the manufacturer claims 6 to 8 weeks, but in real world use, that depends heavily on how busy your area is that you're monitoring. If you're using this at home, you could plug it into a power pack, but as the ports are on the bottom, this may not be convenient. Now, in lower traffic areas with SD card recording, I'd say it's more like 4 to 6 weeks for battery life, which is still pretty decent. Now, if you're using cloud recording or placing it somewhere with a lot of motion, then the battery will drain faster. But the good news is the battery is rechargeable, so an overnight charge gets you back up and running quickly. And actually, if you wanted to use a power pack, you could probably turn it on its side for a little bit you're still monitoring something. You're not going to get the right orientation, but you know what? You're still going, right? You still got your camera going, and that's good. Also, guys, motion detection is solid. In fact, I had to turn the settings down. The camera combines PIR sensors with optional AI detection, which can identify people, animals, and other movement, which is pretty cool. But it's worth noting that the AI features are a paid-for add-on. Now, of course, you can record footage either to a micro SD card or to the cloud. Cloud storage is also a separate subscription, but it does give you much faster access to recordings compared to pulling files from an SD card or having to take the SD card out and put it in a computer or whatever. Also, if someone walks off of your camera and you don't have your video stored safely in the cloud, you kind of lost everything, and it's a bit of a waste of time then. So my choice is, well, do both. The convenience of local access storage versus redundancy in the cloud. So guys, there you have it. The ieGeek ZY-C1 is a flexible, easy to use security camera that works best when you've got strong Wi-Fi and want a quick and fast cable-free setup. Battery life and paid extras are things to factor in, but for the price, it offers a solid balance of features and usability. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for the discounted price of £45.99 compared to the normal retail price of £69.99, which, quick maths, that's a 34% discount. It's actually not that quick. I worked it out earlier. Anyway, I will leave all of the links and any current discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ieGeek for sending me this cool camera to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.